Hey man, you ever look in the flat earth?
Say to the people we don't like.
No, you're special.
No. Which nobody can see that but with their eyes.
Okay, stop the recording. So I'm sure our voices just got recorded. Or remind me not to share it.
Where is Mary? I don't think. Where is Mary? She doesn't care about the dolphins. If she cared, she would go.
Did she not?
She didn't.
Look it over there. She's
Ma'am.
Ma'am, your purse is in front of his camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry.
We didn't know. We didn't know.
I was worried that you were going to bump it. That's why I had my hands down.
I forgot it was even on my arm.
I hope that it just jumps up.
All I was talking about is more like, even if those pictures don't, those pictures don't. Oh, they'll come. How'd I know?
He's over there now.
Yeah, I don't even see
He was over there.
Oh, he's
No, they're done.
Girl, well, good eye, Jen. I'm glad we.
We think that's the part of
It's long side. Dia es más chico. Me lo puedes explicar todo normal, la niña es como él. A ver, no vaya a ya, Amani, a ver, ay, क्या ना कुछ हमारा सब कुछ क्या देखो नहीं हाँ देखो लाओ लाओ एक ले
This is a good example of the points I try to make as far as just above the visible water. There is always this compression to the object. This object should not be this wide, in my opinion. So it is being compressed and stretched out to the sides. This should be more of about half its size that you see. But we can never escape this mirroring effect either, that's basically out there causing this compression. I mean, this is my opinion on it after 3 years of doing heavy observations. Um, I try to put things in simple perspective. Um, Now, this next boat that I come across is obviously heading directly toward me, well, kind of off or back towards me, toward the east, but he is coming toward me. And as you watch, you will start seeing how he decides to turn and head more of an easterly direction, and you'll start seeing more of a profile side of his boat. Um, these are points that I try to show that this boat is in no way below the curvature of Earth, because you can actually see the wake of the boat being pushed out by the boat. So again, you are looking at the boat on a front angle, not a side view, and this is why you're able to see this wake. Now, on other observations, you would not see these wakes due to the amount of light being propagated off the water and diffracting upward or reflecting upward, blocking out the boat with light, and this mirroring effect that occurs when there's more light. All right, just watch the rest of the video. Let it go back to its natural audio. And yes, I had to be careful. Ladies with big purses can knock your cameras over seawalls. So I was keeping my eye on that lady that put her camera or her purse right in front of my camera. She was actually really close to about knocking it over. I had my hand out blocking it because I knew she was not paying attention. But I also know that she wasn't, and it wasn't intentional either. So, all forgiveness. All right, this boat's fixing to turn. Now he's heading really more straight at me, obviously. But then he turns here, and you can see it suddenly. And here he goes. He turns, and he's heading more of an angle into the channel, into the Hernando Beach channel markers. All right, I'm going to let it go back to the natural audio.